All right, I've been gifted with a few hours, so I'm going to use them to paint. I bet this looks just like an absolute tangled mess to everyone, and it is. So hopefully I can bring some type of order out of this chaos. I do think the composition's good though. I've got this, stringing all the way through. The sickle comes down, kind of leads you to the dog. I can use these cloaks. I'm not married to any of this stuff, so I can use his cloak, bringing you right back to Death's head, his wicked hand, and the human that is going to most likely be claimed by Death. Although this guy's doing everything he can to stop that from happening. So, let's see. The question inevitably is always, where do you start? So this is what I want. And oh, by the way, I made up all this stuff. Well, I didn't make up my dog. He's real. But all the rest of this stuff is, I made it up. I took my own photographs and drew all that stuff. Everything except for this head. That terrifying piece of, good God. So in my Google search for Death, I think I typed in, Death, and then Death's sickle, and then that led me to the Angel of Death. And then that led me to Thanatos, which I learned was the Greek god of death. And in searching through those images, I came across this monstrous thing. So it's so scary. I don't want to learn any more about it, because somebody pieced that thing together, and that stuff kind of freaks me out. But so everything on here is mine. I saw this thing, I drew it the best I could, and now I'm going to try to paint it. Hopefully I can do that some justice. So that's my starting point. Whew. Jeez, I hope I can. I know I can. I believe in myself. Actually, I really don't believe in myself. All I do is I believe I can mix a color, and I believe I can lay that color down, and then you kind of go into some weird world, and you keep doing it. So there you go. That's my plan of attack. I gotta stop that short. That was only maybe, I don't know. There's a tornado warning. I've never been in a tornado before, so hopefully I can keep my streak alive, but time to stop, I guess.